Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys. Let me just adjust the light there. Sorry, and show you guys, do another lipstick demo for you guys. This is called, in the number 40, is called Pink Tea. It's by Sephora. This is actually a cream lip shade. And she was telling me, the lady at Sephora, this is like, I think like $9, something like that, $12, $9. I don't know. It's not that expensive. But anyway, she was telling me if I didn't like a matte lipstick, because I absolutely loved the Wifey by Huda Beauty, but it's $20 a freaking lipstick, and that's a lot to pay. She was like, you will absolutely love this because it doesn't dry down like so matte. But I'm like, it says it's a lip stain. And she was like, trust me, just try it. So I got this. I've never tried it. I've never opened it. I just opened it right now. So I wanted to just show you guys the color. Let's see if it works for me or if it doesn't. And that looks really dark brown, kind of. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. Let me just put it on and show you guys. It smells good. I love when you get a lipstick and it smells really good. What do you guys think of the color? What do I think of the coverage? Like, wow. Oh my goodness. That, it's like, so it's not runny, obviously, but the color is so pretty. I actually might return that Huda Wifey one. The color is stunning. It's stunning, and it's so hard for me to find a nude that looks good on my skin color. I have more of a yellow undertone, and I do cool shades, but this, and it's not uncomfortable, and it's dried down to be a matte. Look at that. It dries down really quick. You feel a little bit of like it's not 100%, but it's not uncomfortable. It's not uncomfortable like at all. And the color is so pretty. I think I'm in love. I love you. So once again, this is in the color. It's, where's the color? Oh, it's on this little thing. This is in the color Pink Tea. You know what? I'm going to take off this sticker and I'm going to slap it on the side because when I run out of this, I will remember what it is. So this is in the color Pink Tea. It is the lip stains at Sephora. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo. Tell me if you like to see these little lipstick tutorials. I do like seeing lipsticks on other people, not just going to the store and just picking a random color, you know, or trying to find a color online that you have no idea what it's going to look like on somebody else. But you see what it looks like. So if you guys could, once again, subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell down there, please. Just a tiny little bell by the subscribe button or whatever it is. And give this video a thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.